Welcome to Koh Phi Phi, one of Thailand's most stunning island paradises. From turquoise water to impressive cliffs, this island has everything you could dream of, even in rainy season. In this vlog, I take you on a journey through this breathtaking destination. So stay tuned. Most visitors arrive at Koh Phi Phi by ferry from Phuket or Krabi. We came by speedboat from Koh Lanta. Just the arrival gives you a taste of what's to come. Crystal clear water, lush greenery and a laid-back atmosphere. Look at that view. I can't wait to explore the island. So let's get started. Koh Phi Phi consists of two main islands, Phi Phi Don and Phi Phi Li. Phi Phi Don is a larger inhabited island where you find plenty of restaurants, bars and accommodations. We always stay at Phi Phi Villa Resort. It's not too expensive and has a nice pool, as you can see. You also don't have to walk too far to the city. There's so much to discover here on Phi Phi Don. The street markets are bustling with life and there are so many delicious Thai dishes to try, like red curry soup. And if you're looking for souvenirs, this is the place to be. After a day of exploring, you can enjoy the nightlife on Koh Phi Phi. The beach bars offer everything from laid-back cocktails to crazy party nights. The next morning, we started our day slowly with this amazing pool view from our bungalow. A must-do on Phi Phi Don is a hike up to the famous viewpoint. The path is a bit steep, but the view from the top is definitely worth it. You can see the entire island in all its glory. Wow, look at this. The hike was definitely a workout, but the view is just incredible. Do the hike in the evening and go there for sunrise with a chung and enjoy this breathtaking view. It was so amazing. If you need to unwind after a walk through the city or the hike, you can relax on one of the many beaches. Lo Dalum Bay is perfect for swimming and sunbathing, while Long Beach is ideal for a quiet evening. A highlight of any trip to Koh Phi Phi is a boat tour to the nearby island of Phi Phi Li. This is where you'll find the famous Maya Bay, known from the movie The Beach. On our way to Maya Bay, I was super excited to finally see this iconic spot in person. The ride over here is already an adventure. And in rainy season, the waves can be really high. But don't be scared, the boat rider knows what he does. Although the bay can get crowded, it's a must-see. Snorkeling in Pili Lagoon is also an incredible experience. with clear water and a variety of marine life. After a long day of exploring, you can enjoy the relaxed part of Phi Phi nightlife. In a chill beach bar atmosphere, perfect to winding down. There's no better way to end the day than with a drink on the beach while the sun sets. Koh Phi Phi is really a place where you can just go with the flow. The last morning we spent on the beach and enjoyed the sun. We ate some breakfast and then we took the ferry boat to the next destination. I would be so happy if you'd join me on my next video next Tuesday, where I discovered Krabi. Koh Phi Phi is one of those islands you have to see at least once in your life. It's a place of natural beauty, adventure and relaxation, and of course party if you want so. If you are traveling to Thailand, don't miss out on this island. That's it for my vlog from Koh Phi Phi. I hope you enjoyed it and got a glimpse of how amazing this place is even in rainy season. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did. See you next time!